Natural selection is one of the fundamental mechanisms of evolution, and it's fascinating how it shapes the diversity of life we see around us. At its core, natural selection is about survival and reproduction. It's the process by which certain traits become more common in a population because they confer some advantage in the struggle for existence. Let's break it down. First, we have variation. In any given population, individuals exhibit differences in their traits. Some might be faster, some might be better camouflaged, and others might have stronger immune systems. This variation is crucial because it provides the raw material for natural selection to act upon. Without it, there would be no way for the environment to favor one trait over another. Next comes competition. Resources like food, water, and shelter are often limited. This scarcity means that individuals must compete for survival. Those with advantageous traits, like a thicker fur coat in a cold climate or sharper eyesight in a predator, are more likely to survive and reproduce. This leads us to the concept of fitness, which in evolutionary terms refers not just to survival, but to reproductive success. It's not enough to live longer. You have to pass on your genes. Now let's talk about adaptation. Over generations, the traits that enhance survival and reproduction become more common in the population. This gradual process can lead to significant changes in a species. For example, think about the peppered moth. Before the Industrial Revolution, light-colored moths were more common because they blended in with the lichen-covered trees. However, as pollution darkened the trees, darker moths had a survival advantage. Over time, the population shifted, demonstrating how quickly natural selection can lead to adaptation. Another key aspect of natural selection is the role of the environment. It's not just about the traits themselves, but how they interact with changing conditions. A trait that is beneficial in one environment might be a disadvantage in another. For instance, a long neck in giraffes is advantageous for reaching high leaves, but in a dense forest, shorter necks might be better for navigating through the underbrush. Let's not forget about genetic drift and gene flow, which also play roles in evolution. Genetic drift refers to random changes in allele frequencies, especially in small populations, while gene flow involves the transfer of genes between populations. These mechanisms can influence how natural selection operates, adding layers of complexity to the evolutionary process. In summary, natural selection is a dynamic interplay of variation, competition, and adaptation influenced by environmental factors. It's a powerful force that drives the evolution of species, shaping life on Earth in ways that are both intricate and beautiful. Understanding these mechanisms not only deepens our appreciation for the natural world, but also highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems and the importance of biodiversity. Each species, with its unique adaptations, plays a role in the tapestry of life, reminding us that evolution is an ongoing journey, not just a destination.